Okay, it's not coming out. Oh. Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Hope all is well and is keeping well. In today's video, we are going to do a first impression on a new skincare subscription box that I recently received. The skincare products that we are going to look at today is in this box right here. It's such a cute box. I love how it's designed. It looks like this. It is the SKINSTAR box and it has this cute little ribbon on the side that says skin solution, #SKINSTAR. I think it's such an adorable touch. And then once you open up the box, it looks like this. I believe in here you can open this part and then it has this presentation right here. So a little bit more about the SKINSTAR box. It is primarily right now just for beauty influencer. The reason why we have these products is so that we can try it out, review them, give a first impression of what the product is all about, so that if you guys are interested in the product, you can see it firsthand before you go out there and try it out or purchase it for yourself. So that is the main reason why I have this SKINSTAR subscription box here with all these products to show you. So there are 7 products that are in this box. 4 are separated out for the morning routine, and then the other 3 is separated into the evening routine, which I find very helpful because I like the fact that they tell you exactly which product is to be used for what time of the day. And also I thought it was interesting with the evening routine right here that they have a BB cream included for the nighttime routine, and I've not seen that ever because usually I use BB cream for the morning time. So I'm not sure how that really works out, but let's dig into it and see what it has to offer. So for the morning routine, based on this pamphlet, we are going to use this Pure Heals Pore Cleansing Charcoal Powder Activated Foam Cleanser. And let's see what it has to offer. I love charcoal cleanser. I think it's awesome because it helps to remove dark sebums, blackheads, and cleanse your skin very well. It says it's a one-step cleanser that washes the skin with premium charcoal powder and oriental plant ingredients. Let me see if I can show you now what it looks like. A very thick solution, and as you can see, this is what it looks like with a little bit of water adding to it. Very smooth, calming, feel a little cooling, and it has a little bit of a fragrance to it, a nice fragrance. So the next product in this box that's recommended for the morning routine is the Centella Toner Pad. And this is a pretty nice size. I think I'll get a lot of use out of this. It is 165 milliliter, and according to the pamphlet, it is a mild soothing pad that soothes sensitive skin with high concentration of Centella toner. So this helps to restore the pH balance of the skin. Okay, so I've not tried anything from this line yet, and I'm very curious as to what it is about. Okay, I think I got it. All right, so I came with these little tweezers right here that I can grab the product out, or if I can try to use it. So this is the pads right here. It just comes in this little cotton pad, and then you can just use it. It's filled with products on top. Leave it onto my skin so you can see. See? All that product got onto my skin, and you can just use that. Oh, it feels so smooth and cooling. So as I rub it into my skin, it did feel a little bit sticky. It gave a little bit of that tacky effect afterwards. So after a few minutes letting the toner dry, it's not sticky anymore. Super glad for that. All right, so the next item on the morning routine list is the Tea Tree Ampoule by Essence Herb. So it's stated on the box that this tea tree ampoule has pure tea tree extracts in it and oils that soothe sensitive skin and control sebum, which is really good. I love tea tree extract. I've used it a lot. It helps whenever I have irritation on my skin and whenever I'm breaking out. It helps to calm my skin, and it just comes in a pump, and you basically just pump the ingredient out like so. This is the formulation. It's a gel-like formulation, very thick, and it's clear, and you just put it onto your skin like so and rub it in. It is so smooth and it gives a very nice hydration feeling to the skin. So that is the tea tree ampoule extract. And then the next item I have in the box is the Clive Premium Ginsenberry Premium Cream. It also is the last step for the morning routine. And then what you'll do is, let me take it out of here and show you. All right, so let's see. All right, so I'm gonna scoop up some and I'm gonna put it onto my skin. So this Clive Ginsenberry Premium Cream is 50 milliliter. It is a premium cream that enhances skin elasticity and strengthens skin with ginsenberry extracts. I love this product. I think this is such a nice product. Okay, so those 4 products completes the morning routine, and now let's dig into the nighttime routine to see what those products has to offer. So first off, I have this little scrub right here. It is called the Essence Herb Black Tea Scrub Mild Black Tea. It is a scrub, and I love myself a good, nice scrub, okay? It helps to cleanse the skin, take off all of that excess, dull, dry, dead skin that you accumulate throughout the day. Okay, so this scrub is 100 grams, and it says on the pamphlet, a scrub containing black tea that cleanses and purifies pores. So let's see. Okay, it doesn't really have a fragrance to this one, which I appreciate, because sometimes if you have too much fragrance, it tends to break you out if you have sensitive skin. And so this is what the scrub looks like. Right, so I took a little bit out and I'm gonna put it onto my skin. Feel that grainy effect as I put it on. Let's see. Yeah, definitely. And when you scrub it in, you can definitely feel the grain scrubbing against your skin, sloughing off all of that dead, dry cells. Next up, it is going to be Nature Village Propolis 80 Sleeping Mask. And this is basically a mask that helps to nourish the skin. It says it's a mask, but it's actually more like a moisturizer, a thicker, creamy gel consistency. I know because I've tried this before. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It's so nice. It provides very good moisture, nourishment to the skin, especially if you do it at nighttime. It just feels like you have new skin in the morning time when you wake up. I highly recommend this product if you guys have not tried it out yet. It is amazing. I think it's awesome. And let me rub it onto my skin. And then, oh, it just feels so calming, so soothing. Feels not quite thick like a cream, but it has a thicker consistency, and you can feel that when you put it onto your skin. You don't have to wash it off after you put this on, so you basically just leave it on there, let it dry, and then go to sleep with it on, basically. All right, so that is the Pure Heals Propolis 80 Sleeping Mask. Sleep mask with long-lasting moisture with propolis ingredients that effectively to moisturize the skin. Oh my goodness, this hand over here feels so smooth, buttery smooth. And this one is like all tried because this one has all the ingredients on it to nourish and moisturize it all this time. I might have to go back and do this one as well. Okay, so the last but not least is the BRTC, the first MPO BB Cream Intensive Treatment. And it says it has BB cream that enhances the elasticity and the glow of the skin. It has SPF 37 and 30% of this technology called Fermentox. So this is where it confuses me because I'm the type of person who uses BB cream, I use powder, I use liquid foundation, but all of that usually is a morning time step. But however, this one right here is recommended for the nighttime routine. So I have mixed feelings about using products that has ingredients like BB cream inside it for nighttime because I feel like that might clog up my skin and might cause me to have breakouts later. I'm not too sure how I feel about putting this BB cream onto my skin and then go to sleep at night. Just saying, I feel like it may be a little bit different than other BB cream because it's advertising that it has Fermentox and intensive treatment. However, I'm a little skeptical about using it for at nighttime. Like I said, I might just move this to the morning time routine because it has SPF 37 in it. How am I going to be exposed to any sun ray at all when I'm sleeping at nighttime? All right, so this is what the product looks like onto my skin. It has a nice thick consistency. It has some color in it, as you can see. I don't know, can you tell? It feels like it has a little bit of a makeup base on it as well. And it has a little bit of moisturizing effect to it too, just to kind of help with that sealing in that glow and moisturize the skin. All right guys, so with this BB cream, it is the last product in this box. Super excited to try these out, and that is the end of our first impression video. I hope you like this video. If you're interested in any of the products that I've mentioned, I've linked it in the description bar down below for you. Check it out if that's what you're interested in. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe so that we can see each other in the next video. Bye!